Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to check your stats in Temple Run 2. To check your stats in Temple Run 2, launch open the Temple Run 2 application on your device. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the runner button at the bottom right. Now, tap on profile at the bottom right corner, and there you will be able to see your stats. In the stats, you'll see detailed information such as total distance runs, total coins collected, total gems played, lifetime scores, and so on. So that is how you can easily check your stats and compare your best run with your average run. Your stats help you improve, break personal records, and become a true Temple Runner legend. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.